Guys, good morning po. Dito na kami sa bus. Kasama ko sa Tilibus. Like, baka si Ariana. And, ngayon po ay breakfast na po sa so, ayun po. Mamaya na lang po, guys.
So, dito na po yung breakfast namin. Yan po. Spaghetti with, chicken, curly, and the gravy. And also we have the rice. Vlog tayo, Rod. Rod. As you can see in the picture, it's a kitchen area. I really appreciate how convenient it is to work here during cooking hours. All the tools and equipments are also organized near the kitchen area. They also have a foreign chef as an instructor. He really guides his students in cooking. I was amazed that he prioritized the skills and talents of his culinary students, helping them build a bright future in the hospitality and culinary industry.